Hey y'all, yeah, it's Greg Soldman here, CIOs and bow ties. Another section of Come Learn With Me. We look at the most popular articles from last week and we learn them together. I do always find this very interesting and fascinating, and I always learn something new. So come and join me as we do the Daily Reporter from the Sun, is it? Superman's newspaper. All right. Vertex versus Seattle Genetics. Which biotech stock is a better buy? That's great. I'm not too familiar with either of them, so this will be fascinating for me. Okay. Who's a buy? Patrick Ryan, about a month old. Biotechs are one part of the market with the most upside. Some of the best performing stocks of all time have come from this sector. Wow, I didn't know that. Makes sense. Though biotech stocks are inherently complicated due to their complex subject matter, they are worthy of consideration, especially once they mature. One approach is to invest in broad-based ETFs, another is to build small positions in high-quality companies with promising products in the pipeline. Let's shift our attention to two specific biotech stocks that fit this criterion: Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX, and Seattle Genetics, SGEN, SGEN. Okay, this is not a recommendation, blah, blah, blah. I'm just reading an article. You've got to do your own research and due diligence. Okay. Vertex Pharmaceuticals. VRTX has access to some of the country's top minds as it is located in the academic hotbed of Boston, Massachusetts. Vertex specializes in creating and commercializing drugs that treat serious diseases. In particular, Vertex is primarily focused on treating cystic fibrosis. All right, let's just get Vertex has a B power rating grade. The stock has an A quality component grade along with a B value this is a screen. Keep on digging and you'll find Vertex has C's in the sentiment and stability components. Investors who are curious as to how Vertex grades out in the momentum and growth components of the power range can find out by clicking here. Okay. One of the 493 publicly traded companies in the biotech space, Vertex is ranked 20th. Click here to learn more about the publicly traded companies in biotech. Vertex is held in high regard by the top. So this is really just a screen analysis. So anyway, let's see kind of interesting market characteristics. These investing experts are setting average price target of 285.39 for the stock. If Vertex hits this target price, it will have popped by 35%. The highest target price for the stock is 358. The target 26 analysts have issued Vertex recommendations. Actually, 9 of these analysts view Vertex as a strong buy, 13 consider a buy, and 4 consider it a hold. All right, we didn't learn all that much about the company. Vertex has a forward PE of 18, not too bad, meaning the stock is fairly priced. However, the ratio has the potential to be significantly higher. Vertex moves towards its 52-week high of 306.08 in the month ahead. Vertex revenue jumped 14% in the first quarter alone, rising to $1.723 billion. The company's earnings increased by 16% in the quarter to $71 million. However, the caveat is that the bulk of the company's revenue stems from medications that treat cystic fibrosis. If a competitor were to create a better medication or similar medication at a lower price point, Vertex's main revenue driver would be Jekyll. Okay, didn't learn all that much. Let's look at Seattle Genetics. SGEN develops and commercializes therapies that treat the big C of cancer. The company's top product, Adcetris, has been approved for treatment of Hodgkin lymphoma and systematic anaplastic large cell lymphoma. Cool. All big problems, right? I don't think I'm going to go through all these momentum indicators. Let's see. Let's go to it. So average target price of 189, which is 23% higher. Okay. Vertex versus Seattle. Which biotech stock is a better buy? If your portfolio does not include biotech stocks, is not a truly comprehensive and well-diversified collection of stocks. Though biotech stocks are inherently complicated, it feels like the beginning again. They're worthy of consideration if you have full understanding of science. There's no need to pour over the subtle details of prospective biotech investments hour after hour. Even if you were to embark on such an endeavor, you probably would not develop a true understanding of science these seemingly futuristic companies are using to improve the world around us. In short, there's an element of risk involved in biotech investing, though the same consider stocks in other sectors. Let's shift our attention to the two specific biotech stocks that every investor should consider: Vertex and Seattle. Vertex is access. Oh, come on. Are they repeating this article? Oh, okay, the better buy. Vertex is the better buy as it's rated 50 slots higher than this. Yeah, okay. Well, you'll like this. Not my favorite article, but there you go. We got two stocks to consider. Thanks for watching. Join me for another one. Bye.